What's up, guys? Today's video is going to be a color change, the Erdnase color change. Erdnase was the author of a book called Artifice, Ruse and Subterfuge at the Card Table, a treatise on the science and art of manipulating cards. What you want to do first is just make sure that there are two different colors on the bottom of the deck, like this, red and black. When you put your hand over it to cover it, what you're doing is pushing that top card forward just a little bit, just enough so you can use the palm of your hand here to contact this card and slide it out. When you cover up, you push that card forward just a tad, and then you slide the card underneath of it out behind the cover of your palm, up and over, and then back in. And as it's coming back in, you're using this finger to square that card up to the deck. So you're here, you're squaring that card up and bringing the other card in to produce the color change, the Erdnase color change. I don't have the book. I'm probably going to order the book. If you like the video, drop a share, a like, subscribe.